In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cells automatically fit text in Excel. This should be a quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. As you can see, I have longer text in the cell A, and I'm going to show you now I'm typing in B. As you can see, the text is not available in A. So now I have to fit the text for it to be available in the cell A. And there is two ways to do this, so I'm going to demonstrate the first way how to do it. Just make sure you're on the home page. Then click on the text you want, just like this. And just go ahead, click on Wrap Text, as you can see now. Now this is a way to wrap the text if you want it to be like this. And the other way is to fit the text to the column width. Now just make sure you're on the home page, click on Format, and then click on AutoFit Column Width. As you can see now, the text is fit to the column. Now let's click on the row height. That's if you wanted to fit the row height as well. So this was how to make cells automatically fit text in Excel. This was a quick, easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.